So we are going to download the PUBG Mobile official emulator, which will allow us to play PUBG Mobile on our Windows operating system. So let's get started and see how we can download it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for GameLoop. And the first link which will appear here will be from GameLoop.fun. I'm going to provide this link in the description of this video also. This is the official website, and you can see it will redirect us to this website which says PUBG Mobile, the official emulator on PC. Okay, so you can just come to this website, and if you want to some specific version, then you can choose that version. I'm going to choose the English version, and then I'm going to just click on the download button. Download is really small, it's around 1 megabyte, so this executable file will be downloaded really fast. So I'm going to just click on this executable file, and I'm going to just click yes here, and I'm going to minimize the browser. So when I minimize this browser, you will see nothing starts here. So you need to wait for some time in order for this executable file to start. So this is normal for this, so just wait for some time, don't do anything, it will start automatically. Okay, so if you don't see anything on the screen, you just need to wait for some time, and this executable file setup will automatically start. So now I can see after some time automatically this setup will start, and you will be able to see this kind of window. So as you can see, this emulator is from GameLoop, which is the official emulator, and you will also see these two icons which will be created on your Windows desktop, which is for GameLoop, and then the PUBG Mobile. Also, you will be able to see this progress bar here. So let this progress bar to reach to the 100% marks. It's going to install the essential updates here, and once this is done, you will be ready to just use your GameLoop emulator for playing your PUBG Mobile. Now as you can see here, there are many other popular games for mobile which you will find here. You can also see this PUBG Mobile. So we will directly click on this PUBG Mobile app here, and then you can see it's initializing. Also you will be able to see the system requirements, minimum and recommended. So minimum are Windows XP and then 2 GB RAM, and recommended is Windows 7 and above, and the memory is 8 GB and above, and these graphics card. So now I can see that this PUBG Mobile game is downloading, and I will be able to see the process here for the download. So now the PUBG Mobile is downloaded, and now the installation process is going on. You can see it's installing, so I will wait for the installation to complete also. And now I can see that PUBG Mobile is starting on my GameLoop emulator, which is for the PUBG Mobile. So now I can see the background voice of PUBG Mobile, and here I just need to click on agree. And now I just need to log in with my Twitter or the Facebook account or any other account, and then I will be able to play this game. So I will just select play game. So now I can see that this PUBG Mobile is loading, and now I can choose the region. I will just click on continue, and if I want, I can choose the date of birth. Let's choose the date of birth, and then I just need to click on agree here. And now you can see these characters. So I'm going to choose the male characters from here. I will just choose the first character, and then I will just choose the name of the character. So I will just choose some random name, and then click on create. So now as you can see, the game is started, and now I can play PUBG Mobile on my Windows 10 operating system using this GameLoop emulator. So this is how you can install PUBG Mobile on your Windows 10 operating system.